Is that yummy, Eliza?
Yeah.
Good. She's really shoveling it in.
More.
More?
Meow, meow.
You finish what you have, sweetie, okay? And then maybe we'll see if you have more, okay?
We'll get you something to eat if you're still hungry. Nobody's going to let you go hungry. You like your new spoon? Seems just the right size.
Ah!
Yeah, good stuff, huh?